Welcome to Pirates Fans TV. Spetu Makatini. 3-0 win to the boys. Thoughts on the game?
Mfethu amabhakani yajabulile, and what I like ukuthi sishaye 3 amaZulu phela. Don't forget ukuthi iclub yasekhaya manje akufuneka sishaye kakhulu, sishaye ngo3 kuze so siya amagoli ukuthi shaye 4 next week. So igame emnandi kakhulu, and what I like about iPirate le edlala manje badlala bonke and they are playing like entertaining football but going forward. So ngimnandi ngegame, I'm happy.
So Abobani, who stood out for you today?
Mfana yabona namhlanje apolice. Mfana apolice namhlanje apolice yabona apolice yakhombisa ukuthi uthengelweni, and that's what we like about Pirate because we are not relying on one player. So umfukeng baka down kancane but apolice wa rise to the occasion. So namhlanje umfukeng uyawathi ukudlakisa kancane but ngiyacabanga ukuthi nalento yokuthi vele is a player of the season. And obviously. So manje apolice funa belayithizo kwakhe to support the player of the season. Yeah.
Beautiful goal as well by Relebuli Mfukeng. So Makatini wena ume because amanye amabhakani are frustrated ngombuthuma. We also saw Radio Pani coming in today. Ume pinga ngendaba yombuthuma, and would you start him against the Kaizer Chiefs?
I want Mbuthuma. That's our striker. And you know, even Uchi as far as singabantu name, and other people, they are very quick to judge, but without analyzing the player. Because you know, mess but it were great yake. And in those spaces like our creator of Mfukeng, our police to score. I was happy with Monaco today. And the very same people who abam criticize ayo. But whenever sumo but say we must always support our players, regardless of how many chances, but for a mere fact we have figure must spaces. That means today. I'm happy a performance. Yeah.
And then Pagania, we saw Undawa coming in for Tion, so we haven't seen him in a while. We also saw Ukesh coming in. How did you rate them today?
Undaba Hoto is old, you know. So we are grooming Undaba ukuthi azokhona ukuthi avale space akaHoto. And what a timing to umgroomer kungukuthi uHoto ukhona. Akekho under pressure. If he came ngamvumi siyasofa uHoto asasekhona. Then ukudlala uHoto now and again. So mangabe ngoba uveli age ayiseko eside lakhe. Kuzoba nenkingi ukuthi sesifuna ukumreplace ngoba sekunenkinga. So kumnandi ukuthi umreplace uHoto ukhona umgadile and uyafunda intwana kakhulu. And uCash, you know ukuthi I was happy ngecombination yaka Cash noNemthanjela lapha namhlanje. uNemthanjela uimprove uyasikhombisa ukuthi what is it that coach akayibona kuNemthanjela. So that combination it shows ukuthi next week we are ready for them.
Score prediction?
4. Sibashaya 4. Sibashaya 4. Mfethu uyabona laba bantu labana uyabona lokho bekhuluma kakhulu. Ayike team win 5 games and remain in the same position. I've never seen that. So they are playing for number 3, Mark Peter bazoya number 4, and they've been winning but sitting in the same place. You win so many games and you remain in one position. And manje angazi ukuthi ubalo sebakuphulela amathembu ukuthi neleague bathi ngathi league lahlile what bahlekisa umakhelwane yo.
Thanks Makatini.